In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Logitech G920 wheel. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want a G920 or any other model steering wheel from Logitech, you might want to perform a reset. This can help you recalibrate the wheel, resolve connectivity issues, or address software problems. Keep in mind that according to my research, there is no dedicated reset button. So instead of simply pressing a single button or choosing the option to reset inside of G-Hub, what you have to do is essentially do a lot of troubleshooting. So I'm going to go over all of these steps, and essentially it will help you reset and reconnect the wheel to any device, including a PC or a console. First of all, ensure that it is getting sufficient power. So when you plug the wheel into a wall outlet and then your PC or a console, you have to see if the LEDs are blinking. For this particular model that has the Xbox button, you will see this LED blink. If you have the PlayStation model or other models like the G923, you might see the LEDs above the wheel, so roughly over here. So check for any indication of blinking LEDs. If they are blinking, then it is receiving power. So if you see them blinking, the power is okay. But if it is not blinking, or if you notice that when you connect it, it doesn't automatically perform the calibration where the wheel spins around for a few seconds, then you have to double check the power cables. Make sure that they are having enough flex and that they are thoroughly inserted. If they are not properly inserted, give them a push. Make sure that everything is properly tied up. And like I said, double check the wall outlet and the USB connections. After you ensure that the connections are good to go, when you see the LEDs blinking and you see the calibration being done, you have basically troubleshoot the power and the connections. The next thing to do is the software check. So download G-Hub. If you don't have the Logitech G-Hub software already, go to logitechg.com, click on software, G-Hub, and then download for Windows or Mac OS. When you open up the software, the wheel should be immediately detected. If it does not appear on the home screen, do a reset or reconnect your wheel. And as long as it is connected here, all of the drivers will be acquired automatically, and you will be able to customize the settings about the assignments, the wheel, and the pedals. There is no secret to this. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Logitech G920 wheel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.